In this episode, I'm going to show you 3 easy cream cheese based snacks or party picnic recipes. So let's begin. All these recipes can be made ahead of time and serve as needed. Some of the recipes actually, like tortilla roll-ups and the sandwich, taste better next day. So I prefer to make them and then refrigerate. When ready to serve, cut and serve. First, let's make cream cheese sandwich. Chop colorful bell peppers and onion very fine. I like to use my Vidalia onion chopper to chop vegetables fine. Take original or spicy cream cheese. Add finely chopped vegetables, onion, bell peppers. Add pickled jalapeno and olives. Mix it all really well. Take 2 bread slices. Sliced bread, you can use white or wheat or even these days oats and many other healthy bread options available. Take cream cheese mixture, and I like to make a little thick layer of cream cheese mixture. If desired, bread can be toasted before applying cream cheese mixture. Place another bread on top of it and refrigerate for about an hour. Ziploc and refrigerate. When ready, take out the sandwich from the refrigerator and cut in half. For the party cocktail style snack, you can cut into 4 pieces and you will get nice finger food bite size pieces like so. Next, let's make tortilla roll-ups. I have spinach, plain, and carbonaro. You can use your favorite flavors or you can simply just use plain tortillas. And of course, cream cheese, because it's cream cheese based recipes. I simply love to use colorful flavored tortillas. Take 1 tortilla at a time. Spread cream cheese mixture. If desired, add black beans for more nutrition. If desired, sprinkle a little bit of taco seasoning and simply roll tight. Follow the same with all kinds of tortillas. Apply the cream cheese mixture. Black beans, taco seasoning, and simply roll. Look at the inside of the roll-ups, colorful. I love to prepare tortilla roll-ups for picnics and parties because they are so quick and easy to make and also can be made ahead. Do the same with all the prepared tortilla roll-ups. When the tortilla roll-ups are refrigerated, it is so much easier to cut them. And finally, let's make crispy, crunchy, cream cheese based pita bread pizza. On a medium to high heat, take about a teaspoon of oil. Add minced garlic. Saute garlic for a little bit. Add spinach. Red pepper flakes nutmeg, salt, and cook spinach just about 30 seconds or a minute until it's wilted. Turn off the stove. Spinach is ready. Let it cool. Take original or flavored cream cheese into the mixing bowl. Add sauteed spinach. Mix it all. For this recipe, I'm going to use flax, oat, brown and whole wheat pita bread. Now for the cream cheese pizza, I prefer to toast pita bread until they are nice and crunchy. So I'm going to use my mini toaster oven. When done, safely bring down onto the plate. And as you can see, I make quite brown to make it crunchy. Now as you can see, it cannot be bent. So that shows that it's nice and crispy, and that's how I like pita for this recipe. Spread cream cheese mixture. And I like good amount of cream cheese. Here I have black beans. Just sprinkle on top. Boiled black beans. You can use your favorite beans here. Here I have fried onion. You can use caramelized onion here. Sprinkle on top. Pizza is ready. And simply cut. As you can hear the crunch from everywhere. If desired, red bell pepper or tomato can be garnished. Yummy looking, one of my favorite pizza recipe to prepare anytime. So here I have all three recipes ready. Cream cheese sandwich, tortilla roll-ups and pizza. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavanaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavana's Kitchen is everywhere. And of course, don't forget to download Bhavana's Kitchen app for free on many devices like iOS, Android. And also you can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku. Thanks for watching and see you soon.